Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to upgrade my Haiboxing 18859 with some high quality parts from GPM Racing. I realized that the Arrma Granite Grom has an almost identical design and a lot of parts actually fit. So I went shopping. I ordered aluminium front and rear hubs and carbon steel front and rear drive shafts with wheel hexes. And don't worry, I'll put all the part numbers in the description for you. Oh, and wait until the end of the video. I've got a small bonus upgrade to show you. In my last video I recommended using the Haiboxing aluminium parts. Those I would no longer recommend. Let's just say the quality isn't exactly that premium. So the plan for today. Take the car apart and see if these new parts actually fit. Here you can see the blue front and rear hubs again. Those are going out. First I'm removing all 4 shocks, then the hubs and also the front drive shafts. I had already upgraded these to full metal before, but yeah, they are coming out too. The new shafts look super similar, so I'm pretty sure they will fit perfectly. Let's check the rear side next. I will throw out these cheap dog bones. They are getting replaced by the improved CVD drive shafts. The dimensions look equal, so this could work really well. For the lower hinge pins, I'm using this little extractor tool. Super handy for pushing them out without much effort. These are the new rear hubs. And look, they are much beefier. I went with red, but you can get them in other colors too. And here's a comparison with the original bearing. The new ones are way bigger and even sealed. That's pretty cool. For the new drive shafts I'm also using aluminium hex adapters, but be careful here, there's a tiny little ring included. Take care of this and don't lose it. The rear drive shaft fits nicely into the stock diff cups, no issues there. I'm also using the Granite Grom lower hinge pins. They are threaded and just way nicer to install than the Haiboxing parts. And as you can see, the hubs fit perfectly into the suspension arms. So it's time to get everything installed. And look at that. Everything in the rear moves super smoothly. Plus, I think the black drive shafts and the red hubs look pretty awesome. Here you can see the black 12mm aluminium hexes, very stylish. Compared to the stock ones, the new parts are bigger, beefier and the bearings are huge. Now let's move on to the front. Same process as before, nothing fancy. And again, perfect fit, the arms, the steering, the drive shafts, everything lines up nicely. Oh, and don't forget the small shims that go onto the threads first. And again, please don't lose them. Just look at this, isn't that cool? As a cherry on top, I ordered some red Traxxas wheel nuts. They look so much nicer than the original silver ones and give a bit of racing vibes. Overall, the new parts feel way more high quality, with less play and bigger bearings. That should make the car a lot more durable and honestly, it looks so much better. And remember at the beginning when I mentioned a small extra, here it is. I also installed the GPM Steering parts to my Haiboxing. And the best thing, it's almost plug and play. You just need to make a tiny cut in the Haiboxing body, nothing dramatic. So what do you think about this upgrade? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.